I've been through my fair share of truck bed covers, and let me tell you, not all of them are created equal. I bought and tested these top 5 hard-folding tonneau covers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. From installation to daily use, I've got the inside scoop on what works and what doesn't. Let's dive in. Product number 1: Toodel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. My experience with the Toodel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau cover was nothing short of impressive. As a proud owner of a 2016 Ford F-150, I found that this cover fit like a glove, snugly covering my 55 bed. The first thing I noticed was the quality of the materials. The aluminum frame and hinges are powder-coated in matte black, giving it a sleek look that complements my truck perfectly. The panels are made from Endura Shield, an automotive-grade polymer that is designed to resist dents, fading, and scratches. I've driven in the scorching sun, and the panels stay cool to the touch, which is a big plus during the summer months. When it comes to security, this cover delivers. I felt at ease knowing that once my tailgate was closed, the soft fold was fully locked. No more worrying about whether my gear is safe while I'm parked. The design also allows for quick removal. If I needed full access to my bed, I could loosen the front jaw grip clamps and pull the cover off in seconds. No tools, no hassle. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros include the premium build quality, excellent weather sealing, and a low-profile design that looks fantastic. The installation is straightforward. I didn't need any special tools, and the instructions were clear. The only con I encountered was that the cover can be a bit heavy for one person to lift and install alone, but it's manageable if you have a helping hand. So why should you buy the Toodel Hard Shell Folding Tonneau cover? If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and functional cover that offers security and ease of use, this is a solid choice. It's built to last, and the peace of mind it provides is priceless. Product number 2: Real Truck BAK Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Switching gears to the Real Truck BAK Backflip MX4, I was excited to test this cover on my 2022 Ford F-150. Right off the bat, the design stood out. It's sleek and modern, with a matte aluminum finish that not only looks good but is also functional. One of the standout features is the patented auto-latch locking system. I've had covers in the past that felt flimsy, but this one gives me confidence that my gear is locked down tight. The weather protection is also top-notch. The improved seals and tight-fit clamps kept everything dry during a recent rainstorm. I drove through some crazy weather and my cargo stayed completely protected. Let's break down the pros and cons. The pros include its exceptional security features, easy installation, and full bed access when folded up. It's also tested to withstand extreme temperatures and conditions, which is reassuring for someone like me who lives in a variable climate. The only downside I could find was that it can be a bit bulky when folded up, which might slightly obstruct the rear window view. So why buy the BAK Backflip MX4? If you want a reliable, secure, and stylish tonneau cover that doesn't compromise on functionality, this is your go-to option. It's a well-engineered product that's built to last and provides excellent value for money. Product number 3: Toodel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Toyota Tacoma. Next up is the Toodel Hard Shell Folding Tonneau Cover designed specifically for the 2016-2026 Toyota Tacoma. As a Tacoma owner, I was eager to see how this cover would perform. The installation was incredibly straightforward, and I managed to get it on in less than 40 minutes without any extra help. The aluminum frame and hinges, coated in matte black, provided an industrial yet polished look that matched my truck's rugged charm. The Endura Shield panels are impressive. They're resistant to scratches and fading, which is essential for anyone who frequently takes their truck off the beaten path. I had peace of mind knowing that my gear was secure once the tailgate was shut, thanks to the soft fold locking feature. This cover also boasts excellent weather sealing, keeping my cargo safe from rain and snow. Analyzing the pros and cons, I found that the build quality is outstanding, and the ease of installation is a significant plus for those who prefer a DIY approach. However, it can be a bit cumbersome for one person to remove entirely, especially if you need to do it frequently. So why should you go for the Toodel hard shell? If you own a Toyota Tacoma and want a tonneau cover that combines style, security, and practicality, this is a fantastic choice. It offers excellent protection and is built to withstand the elements, making it a worthy investment. Product number 4, Toptony Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Dodge Ram. Now let's take a look at the Toptony Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, which fits the 2009-2026 Dodge Ram 1500. I was excited to try this one out as I've always liked the design of Ram trucks. Installation was straightforward, and the shine-finished aluminum panels looked fantastic on my truck. They not only add to the aesthetic but also protect against marks and scratches, something I've struggled with in the past. The Toptony cover features a tailgate lock that secures everything once the tailgate is closed. This feature gave me peace of mind when leaving my tools and equipment in the bed overnight. The weather resistance is impressive too, with the cover effectively keeping out rain and snow. I tested it during a heavy downpour, and everything inside my truck bed remained completely dry. When considering the pros and cons, the stylish design and solid build quality stand out. However, the only downside I found was that the installation clamps can be a bit tricky to tighten securely without stripping them, so a careful approach is necessary. So why buy the Toptony hard folding cover? If you have a Dodge Ram and want a stylish, durable cover that offers excellent weather protection and security, this is a great option. It's easy to install and built to last, making it a solid investment. Product number 5, Toptony Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Toyota Tundra. Finally, I tested the Toptony Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for the 2022-2026 Toyota Tundra. As someone who appreciates both form and function, I found this cover to be a perfect match for my truck. The aluminum and polypropylene materials provide a sturdy feel while maintaining a sleek appearance. The installation was a breeze, and I appreciated how the clamps securely fasten the cover without the need for drilling. The shine-finished panels are not just visually appealing, they also offer protection against scratches and UV damage. I was particularly impressed by how well the cover held up during some rough weather conditions, keeping my cargo safe and dry inside the bed. The tailgate lock feature added an extra layer of security, which is crucial for anyone carrying valuable tools or gear. In terms of pros and cons, the cover's stylish design and ease of installation are definite highlights. However, it might not be as lightweight as some may prefer, which can make removal a bit cumbersome for one person. So why should you choose the Toptony for your Toyota Tundra? If you want a cover that combines style, durability, and practical features, this is certainly worth considering. It's a great addition that enhances both the look and functionality of your truck. In conclusion, these top 5 hard folding tonneau covers each offer unique features tailored to different truck models and owner needs. Whether you prioritize security, ease of installation, or aesthetic appeal, there's a cover here for every truck enthusiast. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed choice. Happy trucking!